Hey guys, welcome to the video, and today I have a free jigsaw from Ryobi. Why is this free? It's because I got batteries from Ryobi. So if I get 2 batteries and a charger for $100, I get to pick a tool for free. Now you can get their better version, I think maybe with a better motor, and I think those are a little bit more powerful. And if you can get one of those with a little bit more money for the batteries, and then the tools are, I think, a little bit better as well. So that's just how it goes. Or I think you buy the tools and the batteries are free, or vice versa. I don't know, something around that. But this is the cheapest deal I found, is because I needed a jigsaw ASAP, and I didn't want to spend too much on a DeWalt one because I don't really use jigsaw for anything really. So here's a jigsaw, and since we have some plumbing stuff from Ryobi, I was like, why not? One reason why I don't like Ryobi stuff is because they're pretty bulky, so I try to stay away from Ryobi. But other than that, they're really good with their price. Just some paperwork and manuals and all that stuff. 40 volts. What do you mean by 40 volts? These are 18 volt, but they give you a book full of 40 volt tools that they have. They have over 50 40 volt tools. This is one of the reasons why I actually like Ryobi, because they have unlimited tools, like anything you can think of, they have it. It's pretty chill. There is a smooth cut wood bit here, and the rest is just papers, and a little bit more packaging, one plastic bag of packaging, and here's the actual saw. This thing is actually bigger than any traditional jigsaw that I used so far. We have different speed for cutting different materials. Blade saver. What's a blade saver? Is it like a storage for blades? And this is exactly what it looks like. It's pretty heavy, heavier than any other jigsaw that I ever used. That's probably why this thing is actually a little bit cheaper than the other ones. I'm going to open up the batteries. So we have a charger. This thing is huge and bulky, and I just really don't like the shape. We got some papers. And whoa, sheesh. And here are the batteries. Now these batteries are 4 amp hour, both of them, so they'll last for a while. Comparing to this is, I think, 1.5 amp hour, 1.3. So these are like 1.3 amp hour. I think I have a bunch of 2 as well, but basically these are 4 amp hour and 18 volt. So these will last a while, and they're just a little bit less powerful than the 40 volts, of course. And there's also no battery, but there's a battery indicator, which is really nice. The old DeWalts didn't have any of those that I have. Some of them there's a bunch of batteries from DeWalt that I don't have indicator on, and I hate those. But there's no charge in these. There's like 1 bar, but I'm just gonna play it a little bit so you can see. 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's only 3 speeds. It's not that fast, but yeah, I mean, this is probably just for DIYers, and I also don't have, charge here, so I can't really blame it. But Ryobi is, DIY friendly and stuff. So if you're like a homeowner or a DIYer, these are perfect tools for you. For me, I don't really use a jigsaw much. I don't really need a jigsaw for my work, so this is just to have a jigsaw in case I ever need it. But other than that, these are pretty cool. I got 2 batteries that are going to be super powerful that I can use with the plumbing tools, and I don't have anything else from Ryobi. But maybe in the future, if I get like and landscaping stuff, because they have a lot of good landscaping stuff that other people don't make, and they're also pretty budget friendly. If I ever get anything from them, I'll have 3 batteries and 2 chargers. So that's about it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.